everybody, welcome back to Elsie Nora. So today I'm actually going to take you on a little bit of a journey. I'm going to be heading out, hanging out with some family members at an event in CT. Um, it's a pre-planned event, so I knew about it for some time, and I'm going to take you through how I get dressed, going out, hanging out, and hopefully while I'm at the event, I'll show you exactly, how I get down. Anyway, so last night I did go out, so I got home pretty early this morning, still a little bit tired, but um, my intent is definitely to, of all these events that I've been going to, hanging out, it's Liberty Weekend, so pretty much every day this weekend I've been hanging out. So I wanted to show you exactly how, Caribbean folk get down. It is on the cooler side because we had that storm or whatnot. So I'll show you what I picked out for my outfit. And I don't know if you remember earlier I said on another vlog that I had bought these boots and I'll probably be wearing them in the summer. Figured today is a perfect day because it's on the cooler side and it is an outdoor event. And yesterday I was actually a little bit chilly. My fingertips were actually cold until I started dancing, then I got really hot, but we'll see how it works out today. So here's what I intend on wearing. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that, and then show you how I apply my makeup, get dressed, and then head out the door for this 2-hour journey to have some fun. Finally getting to hang out post COVID. All right guys, so here's the outfit. It's some type of it's not lace, but how it's stitched together, it's very breathable. It's a long sleeve shirt. It has a fishtail hem, and I'm planning on wearing this cut off jean short and this little tube top thing underneath. All right, also my sunglasses, and I'm gonna try wearing this belt purse, see how it works out. I bought these in the beauty supply store because, as you guys can see, I got my hair braided, so I'm gonna try putting in some of these at the beauty supply store. And here are the boots that I'm saying I'm gonna probably try wearing today. All right, so this is the potential look. We'll see if it works out once it gets on and off to get myself ready. All right guys, so got out the shower and I'm putting on some moisturizer. I started out with my fat water from Fenty, which is it's so done. I ordered the trial size, so I squeezed out what was left out of there, and now I'm putting on the sunscreen. Something fell. All right, and this is the trial size. It was the trial size with the face wash and the fat water and the, I forgot what she called this one, Hydra Visor. All right, so I put a dab here, 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 here. I rubbed in everywhere else, so I just got my chin left. I bring it underneath my chin. And that's takes care of moisturizing and sunscreen. So a girlfriend told me another trick to when you start sweating and stuff, when you start dancing or if it's warm enough, to put milk of magnesia So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk of magnesia as well as a layer before I start putting on like foundation and stuff. But this is my moisturization tip. All right, so I have a bottle, a travel size bottle of milk of magnesia. Um, Keep that instead of the big bottle because they're sold in really large bottles, and when you're traveling, you know, this doesn't help either. So same concept, I'll just put a dab on each cheek, forehead, nose, and chin, and then just rub it in and wait for it to dry. Maybe I put too much moisturizer. I feel extra shine. Alright, hopefully when it dries it's a little bit better. Alright guys, so I'm still oily, so I definitely put too much of the hydrovisor, or it may have been the I don't think it's the milk of magnesia though, because the milk of magnesia is supposed to be do the quite the opposite. Anyway, gonna use this Mary Kay sheets, oil absorbing sheets. Try to see if I could soak up some of this oil. Dab it away. Ew. Yeah, hella greasy. Alright. I might end up using all of these in the pack. Or I probably should just wash my face and start over. Let's see how this works. Definitely need to start putting on my makeup so then I can finish getting dressed. Remember back in the day, you go to MAC, have them do your makeup, and don't wash your face for a whole night. Buy a few products, but then when you wake up in the morning, you don't have to worry about getting your makeup. And I guess now what people are doing are just hiring makeup artists. If you have it like that, hire somebody to come in. And even if you have the time, sometimes even if you have it like that, you don't have the time. Doing back-to-back events, get somebody to come to your house. It's time consuming and costly. Alright, this looks a little bit better, so I may not have to wash all the product off my face. It's coming out a little bit drier, which is good. Alright, this works. Okay, good. Alright, so took some of the oils down, and now I'm gonna go to my concealer. I use it's color correcting full coverage cream, CC cream, or CC plus cream. It's my go-to. I like IT products. Is that it? Yeah, IT products. And similar with the moisturizer and stuff. And I actually don't use an applicator. I use my fingers to blend it in. So I just pump a few pumps, cheek, chin, nose, and then I just beat my face. Now this is the first time I'm probably doing this on camera. Not first time I'm doing it, but first time I'm doing it on camera. So I promise you it will come up better then. Hopefully. The initial stages are. And I just kind of carry all the way around. I don't focus too much on spots. 'Cause my imperfections are what make me. So I'll just try to give it as much coverage around my entire face as I can and bring it down to underneath my chin. I definitely don't want it on my lip, so I'm gonna have to wipe that off. Okay, this is starting to dry already. I feel it. I'll get my wipe my hands so I don't get foundation everywhere else. Wipe my lips off. Move on to the next step. All right, so next I go over my eyelids underneath my eye, above my eyebrow with an e.l.f. concealer. I just chose something that's a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone. The reason I do this, I find that it helps to let the eyeshadow pop a little bit more, and then also highlight, if you have any dark spots. It also helps to define the eyebrow. So just kind of draw it along the eyebrow like that, and draw it over my eyelid, this area, by my tear duct, corner of my eye. And then just use my fingers and kind of rub it in. That's what that looks like. I use this little eyebrow brush. And I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. Once I brush them up, then I use an eyebrow pencil just to give them a little bit more definition. I kind of stroke up. I'm going to use the same brush and brush it up again. And then I'm going to use the opposite end of the brush. I'm trying to shape the top that I brushed up. There you have it. So I have this palette that I tried out yesterday for the first time. It says Pina Colada, the Beauty Crop. I think I got it from Nordstrom Rack. I'm gonna try this acai today, see how it works out. I tried this yesterday, watermelon, and then I put the mermaid in the corner, and then I tried a little bit of the sunshine. So I'm gonna try mixing it up today and trying this color with maybe pineapple. See how it works out. Alright, so the color is on the brush, then I just kind of apply it over my eyelid, carry it in the crease, because I want the color to be bright. I'm gonna put probably a few coats on this, and then I'm going to carry it above the eyelid just a little bit. I'm also going to carry it underneath the eyelid, just a small line underneath the eyelid. Sometimes I tape like the corner of my eye to give it the cat eye. I don't have time today. Should have left already. So I'm cutting some steps here. Oh, like I said, I'm going to put the pineapple in the corner, so I'm not really trying to apply this color there. And that's that. Alright, so this is the semi-finished look, and then now I'm going to blend and apply mascara and do the corners. Alright guys, so eyes, eyebrow are done. Just finished applying mascara. Blended in the acai color, and instead of using the pineapple, I actually went for another palette, and this said it was maple. That gave me like a little bit of a goldish hue to it, so I like that better. Alright, so eyes are done. Then now I'm gonna put on some powder to bring down the shine some more, and apply lips. Maybe I should apply the lips first. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, so the powder is on. I used Huda Beauty powder. I'll link it. And the lipstick is Wet n Wild, probably from the dollar store. And then I just used a little bit of glitter from a palette. I forgot where I got that too. But the powder is on, and I think I'm done. So I'm gonna go get my clothes on now, style my hair, and we'll be able to see what's popping. Alright folks, so I am on my way. I got dressed. I took a few pictures, so I'll show you. The outfit actually came out pretty decent, so I'm pleased. It's feeling a little warm out here though, so let's see how how hot it's going to get. I might have to cool down, but I do have like a mobile fan, like a little fan. I'll show it to you at some point. Eating a beef patty because this 2-hour drive and is going to be a little bit, so I'll see you guys in a few.